Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. This is Ablash, assistant professor in civil engineering department from the Chevrolet Engineering College. I deal the subject on the hydraulics and hydraulic machines. I deal the topic 2 problems on discharge continuity equation, Chere's formula, and empirical problems of Chere's constant in the unit 1. First problem, example problem on discharge. Here given the diameter of the given the problem is the diameter of the pipe at a section 1 and at in section 2 are 100 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. We are asking find the discharge through the pipe if the velocity of water flowing through the pipe at section 1 is 5 meter per second. Determine also the velocity at section 2. Here here gives the this is the pipe channel, pipe or channel. The water is flowing in the water is the water is flowing in the channel. Here in the problem, here in the problem asked what is the discharge through the pipe. Find the discharge through the pipe and also to determine the velocity at section 2. Here give the diameter of section 1 diameter 10 centimeters. Velocity at the section 1 is 5 meter per second and diameter of the section 2 is 15 centimeters, and find the velocity at the section 2 and also the how much discharge will be developed in the channel. First diameter d1 equal to here 10 centimeters equal to is converted into meters. 10 by 1000 equal to 0.1 meters. Area, find out the area of the section 1. A1 equal to pi, formula for the area pi by 4 d1 into whole square. Pi by 4 into diameter equal to 0.1 whole square. Finally, the area of section 1 is comes as a result 0.00785 meter square. Here already given velocity at the section 1 5 meter per second. Next at section 2 d2 equal to 15 centimeters converted into meters. 15 by 1000 0.1515 meters. Area at the section 1 8 equal to pi by 4 into d2 whole square. Pi by 4 into d2 equal to here d2 is 0.15 whole square. Finally, area at the section 2 is comes as 0.01767 meter square. In the question, what is the ask the question? Find the discharge through the pipe. For the find out the discharge, the formula is Q1 equal to A1 into V1. Q1 equal to A1 into V1. Area into velocity equal to discharge. Here area equal to V1 equal to 0.00785 into V1. Velocity at the section 1 into is equal to 5. Both multiplication, the discharge at the pipe is comes as 0.03927 meter cube per second. This is the discharge in the pipe flow. In the flow, which was water is flowing in the pipe. And also find here we getting the discharge. Now we find out the velocity at the section 2. Section 1 velocity is 5 meter per second. Section 2 By using continuity equation, A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Here A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. Here V2 equal to V2. We need V2 value. We need V2 value. So V2 equal to A1 V1 by remaining A2 is comes under to the denominator. So we find the V2 value. V2 equal to A1 V1 by A2. A1 V1 value is already getting A1 V1 value is already getting 0.007854. 0.007854 by A2 value is 0.017767. Final result is Vt equal to 2.22 meter per second. Finally, we find out discharge value and velocity at the section 2 value. Next example problem on discharge. Example problem on the find out the discharge and rate of flow. Here in the problem is given me a 25 centimeters diameter pipe carries oil of specific gravity of 0.9 at a velocity of 3 meter per second. At another section, the diameter is 20 centimeters. Find the velocity at this section and also mass rate of flow of fluid. Here the problem we are given one pipe is there. Oil is in this pipe. Oil is flowing in this pipe. Oil is flowing at section 1. Diameter is 2 is given 25 centimeters. At section 2 diameter is given 20 centimeters. Velocity at section 1 V1 equal to is given 3 meter per second. What is the find the velocity at the section 2? Here find the velocity at the section 2 and the mass rate of flow of the oil. How much oil will be flow per second? How much oil will be flow in the pipe? That is also you need to find out. Given data equal to the diameter at section 1 25 centimeters converted into meters divided by 1000 0.25 meters. Area at the find out the area at the section 1. A1 equal to formula for the area, the diameter of the pipe, pi by 4 into d1 square. Pi by 4 into 0.25 meters whole square. So area at the section 1 is 0.049 meter cube. 0.049 meter cube. Meter cube. V1 equal to is section 1 velocity at the section 1 V1 equal to 3 meter per second. Section 2 diameter is 20 centimeters. Is converted into meters by divided by with 1000 is getting it to 0.2 meters. Area at the section 2 A2 equal to pi by 4 d2 whole square. Pi by 4 d2 whole square. Pi by 4 into d2 equal to d2 value equal to is given 0.2 whole square. Now area at the section 2 is 0.0314 meter square. 0.0314 meter square. Velocity at the find out the velocity at the section 1 and mass of rate of flow of oil. Applying continuity equation at the section 1 and section 2. Applying continuity equation at section 1 and section 2. Now A1 V1 equal to A2 E2. A1 equal to is getting 0.049 into V1 equal to 3. A2 equal to 0.0314 into V2. Now we find out the value of the V2. Velocity of the section 2. How much velocity is flowing oil at the section 2? We find out that value. V2 equal to 0.04 A1 V1 by A2 V2. A1 V1 value equal to 0.049 into 3 by 0.0314. So finally, by dividing these two terms, finally we got the velocity at the section 2 V2 equal to 4.68 meter per second value is final result will come. Now we find out the section 2 velocity at the section 2. Now we find out the mass rate of flow of water. Mass rate of flow of water equal to mass density into discharge. Mass density into discharge. Mass density means rho into V1 into V1. Specific density of the oil equal to density of the oil by density of the water. Formula for find out the mass rate of flow, you have formula specific density of the oil equal to density of the oil by density of the water. Now we find out the density of the oil. For the find of the mass rate of flow, density of the oil equal to specific gravity of the oil into specific gravity of the water. Here, specific gravity of the oil is given also, and also in the problem value is 0.9 into density of the water. Density of the water means 1000 kg per meter cube. So density of the oil is comes as 900 kg per meter cube. 0.9 value is given as specific gravity value is already given in the problem 0.9 here. That's up to the value and density of the water. Density of the water is generally fixed value is 1000 kg per meter cube. We're getting 900 kg per meter cube. So we find out the mass of rate of flow of water 900 into 0.049 into 3.0 kg per second. Kg per second. What's the formula? Density of the oil into 0.04. Density of the oil into 0.049 value. 0.049 area of the tank, and 3.0 meter kg per meter square. V2 value. This final quantity at 132.33 132.33 kg per second. 132.33 kg per second value is outcome. The mass or rate of flow of value is finally that 132.33 kg per second. This is the one of the problem on the continuity equation. Previous problem is also used by continuity equation and find discharge. This problem also used by continuity equation and find the mass rate of flow of the oil, nothing but discharge, and velocity at the section 2. Velocity at the section 2, both are find the values. Next problem is the 30 centimeter example problem on continuity equation. Continuity equation. Previous problems are by using the also continuity equation we find the discharge. Here we find the velocity and we find the velocity at the pipe by using continuity equation. By using continuity equation. Problem is a 30 centimeter diameter pipe conveying water branches into two pipes of diameters 20 centimeters, 20 centimeters and 15 centimeters respectively. If the average velocity in the 30 centimeters diameter pipe is 2.5 meter per second, find the discharge in this pipe. Also determine the velocity in 15 centimeter pipe if the average velocity in 20 centimeters diameter pipe is 2 centimeters. Here we have three types of the diameter, three types of pipes have different diameters. First one is in this problem. First one is pipe 1. Pipe 1 diameter is 30 centimeters. Velocity of the pipe 1 is 2.5 meter per second. The water flow is the discharge. The water is flowing in the pipe and 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 separately these are the water is flowing in separately in the individual pipes. Separately in the individual pipes. Second one is second pipe one is second pipe the diameter is 20 centimeters. Velocity of the water flowing in the pipe is 2 meter per second. Here, diameter of the third pipe is 15 centimeters, but is not given the value of the velocity of the value of velocity of which flowing in the third pipe is not given. We find out the value of the velocity of water flowing in the third pipe V3, and also discharge. And also determine the we find out the discharge in the pipe. Also the how much discharge is flowing in the third pipe. So now diameter D1 equal 30 centimeters is converted into meters is by divided by 1000 0.30 meters 0.30 meters. Now find out the area of this pipe one area A1 equal to 5 by 4 D1 square equal to 5 by 4 into D1 square value is equal to 0.03 whole square. The area of the pipe one is 0.07068 meter square. Velocity at the pipe one. Velocity at the pipe one equal to 2.5 meter per second. Next to D2 equal to diameter of the pipe 2 20 centimeters converted into meters but divided with 1000 is come as 0.020 meters. Area at this section pipe 2 is formula 5 by 4 D2 equal to 5 by 4 into D2 value equal to 0.20 whole square. Its final value is area of the pipe 2 is 0.0314 meter square. Velocity at the pipe 2 equal to V2 equal to 2 meter per second. Next one, third pipe. Come to the third pipe. The diameter equal to 15 meters. Convert into meter 0.15 meters. Area of the third pipe is 5 by 4 into 0. Diameter 0.15 whole square. The result is come 0.0176 meters. First one pipe area is 0.0768 meters. Second pipe area is 0.0314 meters square. Third pipe area is 0.0176 meters square. Now what is the question is asked in the question? Find the discharge in the pipe 1. Find the discharge in the pipe 1. Velocity in the diameter of the 15 centimeters of pipe. That means in the third pipe water flow velocity we need to find out. Like here Q1, Q2 and Q3 are discharged in the pipe pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3. Q1 is the discharge flow in the pipe 1, Q2 is the discharge flow in the pipe 2, here Q3 is the discharge flow in the pipe 3. According to the continuity equation, here Q1 equal to Q2 plus Q3. According to the continuity equation, Q1 equal to formula Q2 plus Q3. Based on that, the discharge Q1 in the pipe is Q1 equal to A1 into V1. Find out the Q1 value. Q1 value equal to area into velocity in the pipe 1. Area of the pipe 1 0.07068 into velocity in the pipe 1 2.5 meter per second. Q1 value equal to 0.1767 meter cube per second is come. Now discharge in the pipe 2. Find the discharge in the pipe 2. Area into average velocity V2 is V2 not A2. Area A2 into V2. Area of the second pipe equals 0.0314 into area of the second velocity of the second pipe 2 meter per second. 2 meter per second. Finally discharge of the pipe 2 is come as 0.0628 meter cube per second. Substitute Q1 Q2 values in equation 1. Equation 1 equal to Q equal to Q2 plus Q2. Substitute Q1 Q2 values in equation 1. Equation 1. So Q1 equal to Q1 equal to Q1 value equal to 0.1676 0.1676 0.16. We find out the Q3 value. Q3 value and velocity V3 value. Q3 equal to Q1 Q1 minus Q2. So finally Q1 equal to 0.1139 meter cube per second. By using continuity equation, find out the Q1, Q2 values. Based on that, we find out Q3 value. Q3 equal to Q1 minus Q2. 0.716 minus 0.0628. Finally 0.1139 meter cube per second. Q3 discharge at the pipe. We find out the discharge at the pipe one. Now we find out the V3 value. V3 value velocity of the water flow in the pipe 3. Formula is Q3 equal to A3 into V3. Q3 value becomes 0.1139 equal to A3 value is find out 0.016 into V3. From this, find out the V3 value. V3 equal to 0.1139 by 0.016. Finally, velocity at the pipe 3 value is 6.44 meter per second will become 6.4 meter per 44 meters per second will become. Next example problem on the series constant. Examples problem on the series constant. Question is find the velocity of the flow and rate of the flow of water through a rectangle channel of 6 meters wide and 3 meter depth. When it is running full, the channel is having bed slope is as 1 in 2000. Take series constant is 55. Here is a rectangular channel. The rectangular channel with the depth with the breadth 6 meters and with the depth of 3 meters here. This is the breadth of the rectangle channel. The water is flowing in this channel. The breadth of the channel is 6 meters. The depth of the channel is 3 meters. Here, width of the rectangle channel is b equal to 6 meters. Depth of the channel is b equal to 3 meters. Now find out what is given slope of the channel. The slope of the channel is given is 1 in 2000. We consider the slopes in fractions. That's why here 1 in 2000 means 1 by 2000. 1 in 2000 means but in the bed slope 1 in 2000 means I equal to 1 by 2000. We consider in the fractions. Slope will be we are considering the fractions. That's why 1 by 2000 we have right here. Now find out the area of the rectangle channel. Basic formula for the rectangle channel is A equal to B into D. A equal to B into D. A equal to breadth into depth. Now here B equal to breadth equal 6 into depth equal to 3. 18 meter square. Area of this channel is 18 meter square will be comes out. Area of the channel is comes out. Rectangle channel 18 meter square. We have in the problem already given series constant value is 55. Series constant value is 55 in the problem. Now find out the hydraulic mean depth. What is the series constant? V equal to here V equal to 0 to mi. V equal to 0 to mi. The series constant value is given in the already in the problem. We find out the velocity by using this problem. In the m equal to hydraulic mean depth. What is the formula for the m value? Ratio of the wetted area of the channel. Ratio of the wetted perimeter of this channel. Ratio of the wetted area of the channel. Ratio of the wetted perimeter of the channel. We take as a hydraulic mean depth of the channel. So m equal to a by p. A equal to area is 18. Wetted perimeter. You find out the wetted perimeter. Formula for the rectangle channel of wetted perimeter p equal to p plus 2d. P equal to wetted perimeter of the channel is b plus 2d. That plus 2 into d. So breadth equal to 6 plus d equal to 2 into depth. Depth is 3. The perimeter value is come as 12 meters. So the ratio of the hydraulic mean depth m equal to a by p equal to 18 by 12 equal to 1.5 meters. Substitute the values in this series constant equation. Series constant equation is v equal to 0 to mi. Here series constant value c is already given in the problem. 55 root of m value is comes as 1.5. M value is 1.5 into I value is given 1 by 2000. The velocity comes out comes from the series formula 1.506 meter per second. Velocity is 1.506 meter per second. In the problem also asked rate of flow of water. So rate of flow of water Q equal to V into area. V into velocity into area. Velocity equal to 1.506 into area equal to 18. So the discharge rate, the rate of flow or discharge is comes as 27.108 meter cube per second. This is the formula on the series constant. Another formula on the series constant. Here another formula is find the slope of the bed of the rectangle channel of width when depth of the water is 2 meters and rate of flow is given into as 20 meter cube per second. Take series constant value. Here depth of the channel is depth of the channel is 2 meters is given. Depth of the channel is 5 meters given. Discharge value is given. In the previous problem, discharge we find out the discharge value of the flow and the velocity of the flow. Here you given the in this problem how much discharge is flow is given. Series constant value is also given is 50. Now we find out the slope of the body. Previous problem is given slope of the bed, series constant value, find velocity and velocity and discharge Q. In this problem, series constant value 50 is given, breadth and depth of the channel is given, and discharge value also is given. Find the slope of the bed of the channel. So by using this continuity equation, Q equal to AC root My, where A equal to the area equal to B into D, B equal to 5 into D equal to 2. So area of this channel is comes as at 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second. So find out the hydraulic mean depth of the channel. A by P equal to A value is given as 10 by perimeter. It is perimeter formula P plus 2D 10 by B equal to depth of the channel 5 plus 2 into depth of the channel 2 is given 2. So 10 by 5 plus 2 into 2 4 10 by 5 plus 4 equal to 9 10 by 9 into meters. Hydraulic mean depth value is come as 10 by 9 into meters. Now this formula Q equal to AC root My. Discharge value is 20.0. A value is area value is 10 into series constant value is already given in the formula. Already given in the formula is 50 into root of M value hydraulic mean depth value 10 by 9 into I. 10 by 9 into I. So 20 by 10 into 50 equal to 20 by 100 equal to 20 by 100. 0 cancel is getting as 2 by 50. 2 by 50. 2 by 50. Now squaring and now root of this comes as root of 10 by 9 I equal to 2 by 50. Now squaring on both sides, the root and square are cancelled. 10 by 9 I equal to 4 by 2500 will become 10 by 9 I equal to 4 by 2500 will become. We as per the problem we need to find out the slope of the bed of the channel I value. So I equal to 4 by 2500 into when you 10 by 9 is comes to the right hand side, this reverse condition is getting to reverse is 9 by 10. So is equal to 9 into 4 equal to 36. 2500 into 10 equal to 25,000 is will become. Now take the slope in take the slope in the fractions in the form of fractions. You take the slope in the form of fractions. So 30 by 36 is comes to the denominator. One is remaining 1 by 25,000 by 36 is the now 1 by 25,000 by 36 is equal to value of 694.44. Now the bed slope is I value equal to 1 in 694.44. 1 in 694.44 means we write as a fraction 1 by 694.44. This is the problem and the series constant. Another problem for the series constant. A flow of water of the rectangle flume of width 600 mm and having a adjustable bottom slope with Chegis constant C is 56. Find the bottom slope necessary for uniform flow with depth of the depth of flow 300 mm. Also find the convey K of the flume. Is the flume means some smoke in the factories, the dust, the waste particles, or smoke waste particles are transfer transfer out to the atmosphere by using the flume. This is the rectangle flume. The bit of the bit the breadth of the this flume is 600 mm. The depth of the flume is 300 mm. Here discharge is given at 100 liter per second, 100 liter per second. So we consider in the meter cube 100 by 1000 0.10 meter cube per second. Width of the channel 600 meter is converted into the meters by divided with 1000 0.660 meters. D is converted into meters divided with 300 meters equal to 0.30 meters. Area of the flow. Find out the area of the flow. Area of the rectangle and A equal to B into D. B equal to 0.6 into D equal to 0.3. So area of the flow of the water is 0.18 meter. So here is value is come. Series constant is already given is 56. Find the slope of the bed. Find the I value. Find the I value by this problem. Hydraulic mean depth m equal to A by P. Area equal to 0.18 by P equal to P plus 2D. B plus 2D. B equal to 0.6 plus 2 into D value is 0.30. 0.18 by 1.2. Finally, hydraulic mean depth n value is coming as 0.15 meters. 0.15 meters. Using the series constant value Q equal to AC root mi. Here already given discharge value is already given 0.10 equal to area value comes as 0.18 into C value is already given series constant 56 into M value is comes as 0.15 into I. From this 0 root of 0.15 I equal to 0.10 by 0.118 into 56. This is the value of this is the value of now this is the value. Now the squaring on both sides, square and root are cancelled here. Finally 0.15 I equal to bracket of 0.0110 by 0.18 into 56 whole power whole square. The final value equal to I equal to 0.000098418 by left side 0.15 is come to the denominator. So finally, I value equal to 0.006515. So you consider the slope value in the fractions 1. So you can write as 1 by 1 by 1 0.006518. The value is 1 by 1524 is will become. The slope value is 1 by 1524 is will become. Slope of the blood is 1 in. You can write it in the fractions to the slope of the blood is 1 in 1524. Here also the we find out the I value and we find out the I value by using the problem. Also asking you in the problem convenience of the find the convenience of K value film. This is the one of the value K equal to K into root I. Convenience we find out in the film convenience value also you need to find by using equation Q equal to K into root I, where K equal to AC root my. Q equal to AC root my is the series constant equal to K into root I. Here I are cancelled. Both side I are cancelled. Finally K equal to AC root my. It's called convenience of the channel. Convenience of the channel section. K equal to area value is 0. Area value is getting 0.18. Area value is 0.18. Here C value is already given. Series constant value 56 into root of M value 0.15 is given is come hydraulic mean value. Finally, convenience K value is comes as 3.9039 meter cube per second. 3.9039 meter cube per second. We find the slope of the bed of the channel I value, convenience K value in this problem. Next problem. based on the empirical formulas of the Chedis constant, to find the discharge velocity, we find the discharge and velocity by using of the empirical formulas. In previous problems, in series constant C value is given, but in empirical formulas conditions, series value is not given based on the based on the based on the formula name. We find out the C value also. We find out the C value, series constant value, C value also, and substitute the C value value in series constant equation. We find out the velocity and discharge. Bayes' formula equal to C equal to 157.6 by 1.81 plus K by root M. K is a Bayes constant, depends on the roughness of the surface. This is the channel. This roughness and the boundaries of the surface and channel is some roughness is developed based on this roughness. Based on this roughness, the Bayes constant K value, Bayes on K value depends on this based on the roughness. And equal hydraulic mean depth of the radius. Now, how by using Bayes' formula, we find out the discharge of the water of the flow in the channel. Find the discharge through a rectangle channel. The width is 2.5 meters. The depth of the channel is 1.5 meters. Having depth, bed slope is I value is given 1 in 2000. 1 into 2000. Take the value of K equal to 2.36 in Bayes' formula. Bayes' constant value is given 2.36. Now find the area of the channel. Area equal to B into D. B equal to 2.5 into D. D value is 1.5. 3.75 meters whole square. Area value is comes 3.75 meter also. The area value is comes out. Now find the wetted perimeter of this rectangle channel. Wetted perimeter equal to D plus B plus D. D plus B plus D. That means B plus 2D, B plus 2D, 1.5 plus D value plus B value is 2.5. Here again, D value is 1.5. The total value is 5.5 meters. The perimeter value is 5.5 meters. Now hydraulic mean depth value M equal to A by P. Measure of the area of the channel and the perimeter of channel 3.75 by P value is A value is 3.75 by P value is 5.50. The final result hydraulic mean depth M equal to 0.682. Bed slope of the channel is already given in 1 by 2000. K value, Bayes constant value already given 2.36. Now find out the Bayes constant value. Bayes constant value by using the Bayes formula. The formula is 1.576. 1.576. 1.157.6. Sorry, 15 157.6 by 1.81 plus K by root M. Here 157.6 by 1.81 plus K value is given 2.36. K Bayes constant by ml hydraulic mean depth is come as 0.682. The final value is Bayes constant value is 33.76. Is you are find the value of Bayes constant 33.76. By using this value, you find out the discharge of this channel. By applying this value in the series constant, find the discharge of the channel. Q equal to AC root mi. Here A equal to 3.75. C equal to, if I find out here, Bayes series constant 33.76 into root of m equal to hydraulic mean depth value 0.682 into I value 1 by 2000. 1 by 2000. Finally, get the discharge equal to 2.337 meter per second. Finally, in the empirical formulas, we find out the changes value by using the given empirical form based on the empirical formula and substitute the value in the changes constant value, find out discharge or velocity like that. Young-Led Cutter's formula. Young-Led Cutter's formula. The value of C is given as C equal to 23 plus. This is one of the empirical formula by finding out this constant, and by using this constant value we find out the discharge and velocity. C equal to 23 plus 0.00155 by I plus 1 by n by 1 plus 23 plus 0.00155 by I n by root of m. This is the Gangler's cutters formula. Ganglet cutters formula. Here n is the roughness quotient, which is known as Custer's constant. Here n is called as roughness quotient, which is known as Cutter's constant. N is known as Cutter's constant. Cutter's constant. I equal to slope of the bed. I equal to slope of the bed. M equal to hydraulic mean depth. M equal to here hydraulic mean depth. Now this based on this formula, the problem is find the discharge through the rectangle channel 4 meters 4 meters per second 4 meters wide, but BVL depth is 4 meters and having depth of the value is 3 meters. Having depth of the value is 3 meters and slope of the here is mistake is 14 meters is wrong. Depth of the channel is depth of the channel is B. Depth of the channel is 3 meters. Slope of the bed of the channel is also given 1 in 1500. 1 in 1500. Take the value of n value cutter's formula and the cutter's constant. Cutter constant is 0.003. Now the find out the area of the now the find out the area of the channel B into D. B equal to 4 into D equal to 3. Area of the channel rectangle channel is 12 meter per second. 12 coming as 12 meter per second. Find out the weighted perimeter of the channel. P equal to B plus 2D. B plus 2D. B plus R D plus B plus D. D value is 3 plus B value is 4. D value equal 3. Finally, weighted perimeter value is coming as 10 meter. Now find out hydraulic mean depth value. M equal to area by weighted perimeter. Area value equal to 10 by 10. Perimeter value 10 equal to 1.2 meter. Hydraulic mean depth 10 equal to 1.2 meter. Now by using the cutter formula, C equal to 23 plus 0.00155 by I value is given as the I bed slope of the bed is 0.00667 plus 1 by n value is given 0.03. N value is given 0.03 by 1 plus 23 plus 0.00155 by I value is given 0.000667 into N value is given 0.03 by root of hydraulic mean depth value 1.20 is come. Finally, the C value set is constant by using cutter formula is comes at 32.01. So put the value in discharge formula as a set is constant Q equal to AC root M by A equal to 2. Area of the channel is area of the channel is 1.2 into series constant value is find out by using cutter formula 32.01 into root of m is hydraulic mean depth 1.2 into I value is 0.000667. Finally, the discharge value is coming as 30.867 meter cube per second. By using discharge, we find out the series constant value by using the here cutter's formula. In previous problem, by finding out the discharge of the channel by using series constant, use the series constant value is from the formula of Pidgeon's formula. Now Manning's formula. Manning's formula equal to C equal to 1 by root m power 1 by 6. M power 1 by 6. Here m equal to hydraulic mean depth. N is the Manning's constant. Now model problem on the Manning's formula. Discharge. Find the discharge by using by find by using the Chesis constant value. By find out the Chesis constant value by Manning's here Manning's formula. This rectangle channel is given as width of the rectangle channel is 2 meters, depth of the rectangle 1.5 meters. Also, the slope of the bed is 4 in 8,000. I value is given as 4 in 8,000 by means 4 in fractions 4 by 8,000. 4 by 8,000. The depth of the flow is 1.5 meters taken. N is the Manning's formula constant. Manning's formula constant. Here N is the Manning's constant 0.012 is given. 0.012 is given. Now find the area of the channel B into D. B equal to 2 into 1.5 equal to 3.0 meter square. Area of the channel is given comes as 3.0 meters. Find out the weighted perimeter of the channel B plus D. B value equal to 2 plus 1.5 plus D. D value is 1.5 plus 1.5. Finally, weighted perimeter value comes as 5 meters. Area is comes as 3 meter per second. 3 meter square. Sorry. Hydraulic mean depth. Now find out the hydraulic mean depth ratio of the area of the channel by weighted perimeter. 3 by 5 equal to hydraulic mean depth value is comes as 0.6. Bed of the slope is given as 4 by 8,000. It comes to the 1 by 2000. 1 by 2000. Manning's value is unequal to 0.012 is already given. Series, find out the series constant value by using Manning's formula 1 by n into m power 1 by 6. 1 by here Manning's constant value is 0.012 into hydraulic mean depth value is comes as 0.6 whole power 1 6 whole power 1 by 6. Finally, series constant value is comes as 76.54. 76.54. By using the series constant value, find out the discharge P equal to AC root mi. AC is the area of the channel, area of the channel 3.0. C is I find out the series constant value by using Manning's formula is 76.54. Root of m equal to m equal to given as m equal to 0.6 into 1. I is slope of debit I by 1 by 2000. Finally, comes as discharge is 3.977 meter cube per second. Finally, these problems to find out the discharge of the Chegis constant. In previous problems, C value Chegis constant value is given, but in these problems, we find out the Chegis constant value by the formulas of Begin's formula, Cutter's formula, and Manning's formula, and substitute the value in the continuity equation. We find out the final discharge value or velocity value. This is the this is the class of example problems on the discharge continuity equation and the empirical formulas. Remaining problems are explained by tomorrow class. Thank you.